At the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, I came out to the Dakotas because I had purchased quite a bit of land out here. Since then, I've been back and forth quite a few times, traveled internationally and locally. But today I figured I would go with a neighbor of mine to explore my properties, take a good look around, and decide what it is I actually want to do with them.
Okay. So some kids break their neck inside and then they'll come sue you because it wasn't boarded, it wasn't protected.
Yeah.
So
We'll have
the
to come
door
back
the
out
door
here
should be
and do
boarded. Everything else is I don't know. See the wind this side is boarded. But I'm telling you, the boards are ripped off by the wind, I guarantee you that.
It has a chimney. Does that mean there's a fireplace in there somewhere?
Huh?
It has a chimney. Does that mean there's a fireplace in there somewhere?
Not really. It could be just a wooden stove. I don't think there is. If there was would it be at the end of the house, not in the middle of it?
It would be cute if it was restored, wouldn't it?
Oh,
Probably
that's adorable. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. It's appropriate here. This was a once nice, livable house.
Maybe it could have even been saved 10 years ago if I knew I had it. I hadn't even been in it or anything like that.
Yeah. But it is a nice...
Do you want to look at the shed? There's a shed.
Yeah. It's a nice property. See, that's that laundry room we were just in. You see the opening?
Yeah. It has electric. How do you suppose they're getting water? From the well, I guess, eh? How would we see the well?
Maybe they have a sitting room.
No, the person that said that they wanted to, that they were thinking of buying it from me, said there was a well in there. I could use this for storage.
Yeah.
Maybe,
No,
or maybe
roof.
not.
No.
Guess not.
But yeah, if the roof was repaired and it's not insulated, it would be. That's they used to have it as a garage. See,
Good
garage
size.
door. So there's a garage.
Well, I guess I won't sell it. I kind of like it, but I don't know what to do with it.
It's like 35 feet at the most.
Well, then the marker's not correct then, eh?
I would think.
I think the marker's not correct then, because I know for a fact it's 50.
This is, look at these trees.
Yeah, this is a nice loft. I mean,
That is huge.
yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
bacon bread and it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, finally got it layered, got the backing down. Now I have to cut all the way around it and leave 2 inches on each side. Stupid thing. Oh my gosh. I'm working on my quilt today because I no longer want to buy most of my things from shopping centers, department stores, manufacturers. I want all of my belongings to actually mean something and to, mean something to my family when I pass them down. So I also want to make things more sustainable.
Celebrating the holidays, this Jack Carnival, we invite you to help light up the code and the best holiday displays with our light display. Want your house featured on the map? Just dial #250 and say the keywords Christmas lights. You'll have the option to receive an audio.
My table is now a mess, but my quilt is coming along quite nicely.
30 by 30. Send it around your neighbours if you don't want to do it. You need it all yourself. But anyway, there's your recipe for Scottish this tablet. Thank you for watching as always, and if you need help with the recipes and things, you'll get it at nortonnews.scot.
It was from the Secretary of State's website. This is the washer certificate that I was given, and it is issued for President Donald Trump to me.
The traditional accounts maintain that Muhammad was his grandfather's favorite. This is, after all, what emotional logic demands. For believing Muslims, the idea of such a treasured figure. Psychologists have pointed to the remarkably long list of high achievement figures orphaned young. They include Confucius, Marcus Aurelius, William the Conqueror, and possibly also Jesus, since Joseph disappears from the gospel narratives almost the moment that he is born. Say ye, we believe in Allah, and the revelation given to us, and to Abraham, Ishmael, Isaac, Jacob, and the tribes, and that given to Moses and Jesus, and that given to all prophets from their Lord. We make no difference between one and another of them, and we bow to Allah.